7 Amazon products you must have. Stop wasting time cutting vegetables like this. If cooking feels slow and annoying, this is why. This vegetable chopper cuts everything in seconds. Perfect pieces, no effort. It comes with sharp stainless steel blades that cut onions, tomatoes, and veggies in seconds. No mess, no tears, and perfect even cuts every single time. Plus, it's super easy to clean and saves you so much time in the kitchen. If you cook even a few times a week, this is a must-have. This tiny machine makes perfect waffles in minutes. I didn't think something this small could do this. Just pour the batter, close it, and wait a few seconds. Look at this! Crispy, golden, perfect every time. No mess, no effort, and breakfast is ready fast. If you love easy food, you need this. Stop using messy cables. This is the cleanest way to charge your phone. Just snap it on, and it locks instantly. No wires, no stress. This is the future of charging. Turn your room into a cinema in seconds. I didn't expect this from such a small device. Just connect it, and boom, a giant screen on your wall. Movies feel completely different now. This is insane for the price. Stop skipping your smoothies. What if you could make fresh juice anywhere? This portable blender mixes everything in seconds. No wires, no limits. Gym, car, office, just blend and go. Healthy life just got easy. Is your kitchen cabinet always like this? Messy and wasted space? Watch this. This under-sink organizer turns chaos into perfect storage in seconds. Everything fits. Everything is easy to reach. This is how a clean kitchen actually looks. You think your seats are clean? Think again. This pulls out dirt you don't even see, from cars, sofas, and even carpets. Look at this water. Deep clean in seconds, and it even cleans itself after. Your whole house needs this.